Hello, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Elon Musk just put the Doge symbol next to his icon when he on X app. So he converted Twitter to X.com, and on his logo, I'm going to show you, he put the Doge symbol. This shot up Doge around 5%. Now, what I think is going to happen, Elon Musk has hinted about this. He said he wants to make X, not Twitter anymore, X app, the world's everything app, and he said that it will he wants, his goal is to make it half the world's financial transaction volume, and then he put the Doge symbol next to it. So in my opinion, he's doing little hints. If you followed my video, who was with me? Comment down below who was with me before the bull market in 2021 when Elon Musk sent Doge. He kept giving hints like he's doing now, and he sent Doge from 0.003 to 75 cents, and we made like 20,000%. And that's what actually sent my channel skyrocketing when we bought Doge, and I made many of you multi-millionaires from it. And then we exactly sold the day of the top on Saturday Night Live at 0.75 cents. So Elon Musk's changing his app to Twitter, which he paid $40-something billion for. He changed it to X.com, and now he's put the Doge logo next to it, and he says it's going to become a financial app. So this is very, very big news for Doge. Doge is up 5%. I already bought $30,000 worth of Doge. I'm going to buy another $30,000 worth of Doge, and I'm going to do a long on Doge as well. And I'm going to show you the technicals on it. Also, WorldCoin. So Sam Altman, the founder of OpenAI, the creator of OpenAI at ChatGPT, he just released WorldCoin today. It just went live on Bybit. The link to Bybit is down below, two in the description. It went up 1,000% since its launch. It did 10x. $1,000 became $10,000. $100 became $1,000. $100,000 became $1 million. So we're going to jump into Doge. I'm going to jump into Bitcoin, and I'm going to jump into WorldCoin as well. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell. This could set off another bull market. Two huge announcements in the last 1 hour from Elon Musk, the richest man in the world. This is what everyone really needs to understand. Elon Musk is worth $240 billion. He's the richest man in the world. Before he pumped Doge in 2021, he was one of the richest people in the world as well at $150 billion. Now he has $250 billion, and he's the richest man in the world. It's 2 years later, and he's again giving hints about Doge, XApp. This is very big news, so pay attention. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin, Doge, and WorldCoin now. Now we're going into the charts. Doge is up 4.2%. I bought 30,000 look at this, the symmetrical triangle, that descending triangle that I drew a long time ago on Doge is actually playing out. It dropped below, came down to the support about on June 5th, came down to 0.05. If you guys remember my videos back in the day, I was talking about Doge when Elon was giving hints that he was going to pump it back in 2021. Who was following my videos? If you were following my videos, comment in the comment section. After he did that, Doge pumped around, I want to pull from the bottom before Elon was giving hints, and I took those hints and I put I think it was $50,000. I had quite a big holding at the time, and then it pumped from the bottom before Elon started really pumping it. And in the bull market, before the bull market really pumped, it did a how much percent gain is this? 26,000% gain. 26,000% gain. 206, I think that's 260 times. 260 time gain from the bottom to the top. And we sold it exactly on the day at 0.75 when we were watching Saturday Night Live. And I told everyone, buy the rumor and sell the news. And you can see Doge is again getting ready to pump out of this descending triangle, and stochastic turning up massively on the weekly. On the daily, stochastic also turning up. And look at this volume spike. I bought Doge after Elon announced it, so I'm already up. I bought around 30,000 Doge. I'll go into Bitcoin in a minute. I bought $30,000 worth of Doge as well. You can see here, I bought $30,000 worth of Doge. It's now valued at, it's about the same, $30,000. And I think Elon is going to really pump it. Let's jump into Bitcoin, and then I'll talk more about Doge, and I'll show you the announcements from Elon. Bitcoin just dumped. It hit my stop loss. Unfortunately, I had quite tight stop loss. It broke the Bitcoin indicator bot flipped to a sell. And you can see here we have a rounding top on Bitcoin. It looks like it's finished the fifth wave, everyone. It did a smaller wave than expected, but it looks like it's finished the fifth wave, which is not nice. If this is truly finished the fifth wave, then we have an ABC correction here, and I need to close out my Bitcoin positions. But I don't think so. I for some reason, I don't see... So if it did finish the fifth wave, then we should have an A, B, C correction. Strong support here, but I don't think it will come below 25,900. This is very possible now that Bitcoin has broken this bull flag. It's been in 1 month in this bull flag. Stochastic extremely oversold, but on the weekly it's dropping down now. Bitcoin indicator bot on the daily fired a sell just now. Everyone see this? It fired a sell on the Crypto Guru bot. You get it in the master course number 1 in the description. Bitcoin indicator bot called the buy exactly perfectly on Bitcoin from here. It called the buy at 24,000 and it called the sell 31,000. Now Bitcoin looks like it's coming down. It finished the Elliott wave count. So 1, 2. So here we've got impulse wave 1 correction, 2 to 3 biggest impulse wave correction, then fifth and final wave, and now it looks like it's breaking down out of this bull flag. Unless Bitcoin has a very strong pump out of here, which is possible, but unless it has a very strong pump, we could really see Bitcoin drop down here on this ABC correction. It was quite a big drop here. On the Elon announcement, people sold, it looks like they sold Bitcoin to buy into Doge and WorldCoin. The problem is right now in the bear market, the money is just moving around between projects. It spiked down to 28,900 and then bounced back. But that hit my stop loss, unfortunately. Where is it? So here is we've got a major support on Bitcoin. It came down to here. But the actual strongest support is actually down here, 27K. We have a very strong support. So Bitcoin could free fall here. It's in no man's land, but again, the Elliott wave count is finished, so I'm going to close my Bitcoin positions on Bybit. I don't really like closing out Bitcoin, but here I'm going to close it. I'm going to sell this 3 Bitcoin at the current price until we get a clearer image, because I don't want to hold it. That's 104,000. I'm selling $104,576 worth of Bitcoin. It's selling. I'm selling my 3.5 Bitcoin. 29,306. It's dropping right now as I put the sell order. It's already dropping down. Okay, let's do it here. At this buy, 104,547 confirmed. Just sold 2.7 Bitcoin. It's selling my Bitcoin position here. In this account, I have I've got in this account 91,000 USDT. The MCRT 33,000. Uniswap 30,000. Uniswap also dropping. Dogecoin, I've got $30,000 worth of Dogecoin. Bitcoin, it's closing out my Bitcoin position. BNB 17,000. The market is dropping right now. FXS, but if FXS and Bitcoin, I'll actually close FXS as well. I'm gonna sell some positions here, so I'm closing FXS. Better I go into cash because I made massive money. I'm above 300,000 now, so better I go more into cash. Uniswap I'll keep. Dogecoin I'll keep. Bitcoin I'm selling. BNB I will also sell because right now if Bitcoin drops, the market will take a hit. So I'm selling BNB, Bitcoin. So I'm just holding MCRT, Uniswap, and Doge right now. Everything else I'm closing out. Even my Ethereum, I had a good run on Ethereum. I'll do TA on Ethereum, but I am closing these positions. Why? Because sometimes I just like to close and then I rebuy again what's cheap. Why hold on? I'm going to close my Ethereum position. Close 7 Ethereum. I'm going to cancel these trades. So I'm closing out all my trades, everyone. So I closed out my trades. So now I'm pretty much all cash. Wait, I've got like 2,000 Bitcoin here. I have to move it across and sell these positions as well into the spot account. So now I've got 92,000 cash and it's closing out. You can see these trades are executing. BNB is starting to sell. FXS will sell. FXS, I'll sell at this price. Sell, I'll close this order. Sell FXS. Sell FXS, $16,000 worth of FXS is selling. BNB I got to sell, and Bitcoin is selling out its BNB. Because I think we're going to have a movement now and liquidity grab from WorldCoin and from Doge. We're going to have a lot of liquidity come into these. BNB I'm closing out as well. 17,000. I'm moving pretty much into cash. All I've got left will be cash. So I have 300,000 and MCRT 33,000, Uniswap 30,000, Dogecoin 30,000. The rest is moving into cash. It's slowly selling, closing these positions. Why? Because I made a lot. I'm going to do, I think, the same to tech stocks. Now I'm going to check. So that's Bitcoin. It broke this support. Now it might come back if Bitcoin can get back in this channel, which is very likely. But I think the time to now, I would short Bitcoin coming down to this ABC correction, 25K. So on Bitcoin bouncing back, I will actually open a short here. So I'll go short on Bitcoin. Short from where we are right now. But I don't like shorting Bitcoin. But the ABC wave is now, in my opinion, finished. Bitcoin indicator, but also fire to sell. So now I'll go short on Bitcoin. Target of, but this will dump the market. That's the problem. It will also dump Doge. It's rounding top here. The short, I will take profit at 24,800 after this Elliott wave count. So this is the short I take on Bitcoin. I'm shorting Bitcoin now, and I sold out my positions, opening the short at 29,300, stop loss at 29,495, take profit at 24,000, risk to reward 24 times, risking $183 to make 44,480 without leverage. With 10x leverage, 44,000. With 100x leverage, 440,000. So I'm going to put this short on Bitcoin now. I'm going to set this short, BTC. The orders are all closing out my positions. BTC, I'm going to open $1,000 short at 29,000. Here, 29,280. Actually, I'll open it from exactly where we are. So I'm going to do $1,000 short on Bitcoin. It's a, let's do 9x leverage, $1,000 short. Take profit will be 25. Take profit on Bitcoin. I'm shorting and selling out Bitcoin. But that means Doge could also drop. That's not nice. 25,000. And stop loss is going to be at 29,200. No, 29,495. 29,495. 29,495. Wait, that's not, I need to check these numbers. Bitcoin stop loss 29,495. 29,495. Yep. Oh, it's a short. 29,495. 29,495. Risking $63. And take profit is going to be 25,000. Risking $63. So I'll put it a little bit higher, because too little risk. $80 to make $1,300. Amazing. So I'm going to open a short. It's $1,000 short on Bitcoin. Take profit is 25,000. 0.3 Bitcoin. Confirmed. That order is now set. I'm now short Bitcoin, slightly already in the profits. And now I've closed out these positions. Now I've got 136,000 USDT. MCRT 32,000. Uniswap 30,000. Oh, actually, I made a lot of profit on Uniswap as well. So I'm going to close out this. If Bitcoin dumps, I think I'm just going to hold Doge. I'm just going to hold Doge. So I'm selling Uniswap. I'm just going to hold Doge and MCRT on the fact that Elon might pump Doge. But I think right now we're going to have a hit to the market if Bitcoin drops. My Bitcoin trade slightly in the profits. Yeah, so now I'm pretty much in cash. $336,000 almost in cash. It's slowly selling out these positions. And Dogecoin, let's check out Dogecoin. And then I want to do the NASDAQ. So Dogecoin is up 4%. Sweet. The market got hammered on this Bitcoin drop, which was interesting. This Bitcoin drop exactly happened at the same time that Elon Musk announced Doge, the X. Someone is manipulating the market so strongly. People went long. They thought it was a really interesting announcement. But what it could be is they pulled out from their Bitcoin and they put it into Doge. And that's what caused this drop, Doge and WorldCoin. But the market got hit pretty hard. All of a sudden, just dumped very strongly the altcoins, which is interesting. But now I'm mainly in cash, and now I'm going to start buying things that are cheap when they come down. Now let's do the NASDAQ and Tesla, because I've got a lot of tech stocks, and I made massive gains if you bought with me from the beginning of the year. We're still on the NASDAQ, on the Elliott wave. This is the Elliott wave count. We've got 1, 2 to 3, 4 corrections. So now we're on the 4th correction, but the 5th wave isn't finished on NASDAQ. So I'm not going to sell out NASDAQ yet, because I need to get to that 4th to 5th wave, and then I'll sell it before the ABC correction. It's not on the 4th to 5th wave. Let's look at Tesla, because Tesla is one of my biggest holdings. Tesla got annihilated from the top as well. Let's do an Elliott wave count on Tesla from the bottom. We bought it exactly at the bottom. So if you're looking, why am I selling things? Because I made massive money. We bought everything from December. So we made more than like hundreds of percent. I'll show you how much we made. So okay, Tesla's on the second to third wave. So it's still not on the fifth wave either. Tesla's not yet on the fifth wave. It can pull back to 240, but then it's got the fourth to the fifth wave, which will be smaller than the previous wave. So Tesla still has more. So I won't sell out my tech stocks yet. And now I'm mainly in cash. So you can see here on crypto, I'm mainly in cash. So now I can start to buy up things that I think are cheap. Also, don't forget the WS World Series of Trading competition on Bybit has just started, everyone. So the World Series of Trading competition, number 2 in the description. There's an $8 million prize pool. Join my trading team. Make sure you use the link under the description. So under the description, down below number 2, you'll see, if you sign up to number 2, you'll see the Bybit link and the World Trading Competition. There's an $8 million prize pool, so make sure you join my team for the WSOT $8 million prize pool, which is beautiful. MCRT is the only play-to-earn game cross-playable on Steam, iOS, and Android, and the only real game in the world where you can win money for playing a game. Check it out, lobby.magicraft.io. WorldCoin, if you've been following WorldCoin, this is the founder of ChatGPT and OpenAI. Sam, he created WorldCoin, and it's up 1,000% today. I bought $30,000 spot on Doge, which I just showed you. We'll buy another $30,000 in my video. I'll hold off buying this another $30,000 till I see what Bitcoin does. If it drops, this will get hammered hard. Who was with me when we bought Doge before 2021 bull market and pumped 2,000%? It was actually 20,000%. And we sold the news exactly at the top at Saturday Night Live. If you're following, comment down below. This is Doge pump, which is beautiful. And this was the announcement. Elon Musk, he changed that Twitter to X. And you can see here, he put the Doge logo next to X. And he said that he's gonna try and take half of the financial payment system of the world through Twitter, X, and Doge, which is very interesting. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. Thank you for watching. Comment down below, did you buy Doge? None of this is financial information. I'm showing you what I did with my money. Now I'm mainly in cash in crypto. I still hold a lot of alts. I've got more than 40 investments in crypto companies, so I can't sell a lot of things. I'm just showing you my trading accounts. And now my goal is to buy things that are cheap. So over the next videos, you're going to start seeing me deploy this $330,000 worth of cash. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.